Hey guys, Shibido here. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a tribal fishtail bracelet. So for making this, we need a loom, three colors of bands, a hook, and a fork. This you can easily get from a crafts shop. You can get a whole kit like this. So these bracelets are quite fun to be worn by girls or kids or anybody who like to represent them as a fun look on their dresses casually. So without wasting any time, we should start. I had taken three types of colors: neon orange, mixed white and green, and blue. So for making the tribal fishtail bracelet, we should start the procedure without wasting any time. So take your first band, that is neon orange, place it on the loop, make a 8, place on another hook. Then grab your third band, place it normally like this, push it down, then grab the third band, the blue one, put it normally, push it down. Normally that you do in the fishtail bracelet. Grab the bottom one and bring it on the top and place it like this. This is how the lock has been created, as you can see. Now again we should start the scheme. This is like middle, inverted, normally. So I will tell you the concept of middle, inverted and normally. You will take the first color, neon orange, place it. Now as I said, it is middle, so I'm not gonna grab the third band, the bottom one. I'll grab the second band in the middle like this and place it on the top. This is the middle. Then take the third band, as I said, inverted. Now I'm not gonna grab the middle one. Inverted, in that you have to do like the first and the second band. Just go inside this, grab the bottom one in the middle and bring it over on the top like this. Push it down. Then grab your third band, and after that you have to do normally like this. This is the whole fishtail bracelet scheme is been completed. Now again repeat the same procedure. Grab your first band. We should repeat the same thing, middle, inverted, normally. Grab the middle one, slowly, and place it over it top again. Push it down slightly so you can put the another band. Take the middle one, as I said, middle, inverted. After taking the middle band, you have to repeat the invert loop, placing the fork between first and second and bringing the third one up. This is how, and again repeat the same thing from this side. This is how you can complete the whole tribal fishtail bracelet by choosing schemes of different colors. Take the hook like this and you can like put it after the completion of the whole band like this, and you can gift it or else you can use it on your own. It's quite trendy and like a creative thing. Your friend, your relatives will be amazed to see this sort of bands that been made by you by using this tutorial. So see, like you all will love it after making it. Like you will be amazed on your own after making this. So I hope you like the tutorial and it would be helpful for you. Again, I'll say for this tribal fishtail bracelet, 3 bands, middle, inverted, normally. This is the mantra of this tribal fishtail bracelet. Bye bye. Thank you. Take care.